To set up Afterpay in your wallet, start by ensuring you have the latest version of your digital wallet app installed on your device. Open the app and navigate to the Cards or Payment Methods section. Look for the option to add a new card or payment method and select it. You will then be prompted to choose the type of card you want to add. Select Afterpay from the list of available options. If you do not see Afterpay, you may need to search for it or check if it is available in your region. Once you have selected Afterpay, you will be redirected to the Afterpay website or app to authenticate and authorize the addition of Afterpay to your wallet. You will need to log into your Afterpay account or create a new one if you do not already have one. After logging in, you will be asked to review and agree to the terms and conditions of using Afterpay in your wallet. Make sure to read through these carefully before proceeding. Once you have agreed to the terms, you will be redirected back to your digital wallet app, where you can confirm the addition of Afterpay as a payment method. You may be asked to verify your identity or provide additional information to complete the setup process. With Afterpay set up in your wallet, you can now use it to make purchases online or in-store at participating merchants. When checking out, simply select Afterpay as your payment method and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. It is essential to remember that when using Afterpay, you are entering into a contract to repay the amount you borrowed, plus any applicable fees. Make sure to review the repayment terms and schedule before completing a purchase. By following these steps, you can easily set up Afterpay in your wallet and start using it to make purchases with flexible repayment options. Always review the terms and conditions and use Afterpay responsibly to avoid any potential financial difficulties.